So today we are here again with a new and interesting mathematical dot. Why 0 factorial is 1? Isn't it supposed to be 0? Before we get into that, let's speak an eye on subject mathematics. Mathematics, apart from being a boring subject, is something based on patterns. Once these patterns repeat, they form an equation. And on the basis of those equations, we not only get terms like differential, integral, sine functions, but also simple terms like odd even numbers, powers, exponential, etc. etc. Patterns not only defined by man himself, but also patterns in nature forms mathematics. Once you start understanding those patterns, things aren't difficult as they seem like. Like when you multiply something by 2, the thing double itself. When you multiply the same number by 3, it triple itself. So at the end of the day, it's all dependent on patterns. Now let's take an example for our topic factorial. Factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is 2. Factorial of 3 is 6. Factorial of 4 is 24, and so on. So the basic pattern here is that if you need to find factorial of certain number, you keep multiplying the number by its one less till you reach the last number, which is 1. Like for example, the factorial of n will be n multiplied by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on till you reach 1. But hang on a minute, what is 0 factorial? If you multiply 0 by 1, you will get 0, which means the factorial of 0 must be 0. But is it true? Factorial of 0 seems to defy the whole definition and the pattern followed. So which means this pattern of keep going down and multiplying the number by its predecessor till you reach 1 is not correct. So what is the correct pattern here? Look closely into these factorials, and instead of going forward, let's go backward this time. I divide factorial of 9 by 9 and obtain factorial of 8. Similarly, divide the factorial of 4 to get 3 factorial, and divide 1 factorial by 1 to get the factorial of 0, and tada, what I get is 1 and not 0. So math is fun, it's all about finding the correct patterns. Keep liking my videos and subscribe so you don't miss another interesting fact about maths.